Welcome back to Judy's Keto Kitchen. Today I am making marinated feta cheese with artichokes and olives, sun-dried tomatoes. I think this is a great appetizer, side dish. I love artichoke hearts and sun-dried tomatoes, and I haven't had sun-dried tomatoes in a long time. But in this bowl, I have about a quarter to a half a cup of olive oil, some red wine vinegar, a quarter of a teaspoon of garlic powder, oregano, and basil. And to that, I'm going to add about 3 ounces of feta cheese. Why I'm using feta cheese, it's made from sheep's milk, and we don't eat much dairy. We will eat goat and sheep. Now, I did see a recipe that used those little mozzarella balls, and I love mozzarella. I don't like eating mozzarella by itself. I like it melted in lasagna, pizza, over other things, but just eating it by itself, I don't like. So I'm going to be adding Kalamata olives. These are sliced Kalamata olives, about a half a cup, maybe quarter of a cup. I'm just adding. And then I have green olives. Again, these are whole, so well, we might as well put this whole thing in because use up this jar. I like olives too, especially marinated. Here we are back to try the artichoke, olive, sun-dried tomato, feta cheese, I don't know, appetizer kind of thing. But I do have to explain that I filmed this the other day and my phone didn't film the part of me tasting it. So this is all I have left of it because I ate it, most of it. So now I'm going to taste it for you. The good news is that this has actually been sitting in the refrigerator for a couple of days. And so now it's all marinated with the olive oil, and although it's been in the refrigerator, so the olive oil is a little solidified, but I'm going to taste it now. And then this piece of feta cheese. And some of the artichoke. I love artichokes. This is so good. As great as an appetizer to bring to potlucks. This is probably going to be my lunch. So it has olives, sun-dried tomatoes, feta cheese, and artichokes with some dried basil and oregano. And it's amazing. You're definitely worth doing. Doesn't matter if it's keto or not. Everyone will love it.